Mayor Benji, sabi niyo po, sang-ayon kayo na maging caretaker si Ramon Ang kung sakaling bumaba sa pwesto ang presidente.
Hindi naman ganun, kaya lang hypothetical lang na binanggit sa akin. At syempre, well-established, well-accomplished individual siya. Kaya hindi mo, ibig sabihin, hindi ako mag-hesitate kung sakasakali man na siya yung maglilid ng caretaker. Pero this is a hypothetical situation.
Bakit po caretaker government?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung context noon. To be frank with you, Attorney Karen, siguro meron mga businessmen that who are really very disappointed, very frustrated with what is happening with our economy. Makita mo naman, bumagsak yung ating stocks, tumaas din yung ating dollar rate, pati yung investment, ang baba-baba. Yung FDI lang natin, we are one of the lowest. Comparing it to Vietnam, which got for 2023, kung sila, umabot sila ng 23 billion. Tayo, umabot lang tayo ng 8 billion. Kaya talagang very frustrated ang ating mga businessmen. Kaya siguro naisip nila na why don't we just simply have a caretaker government, someone to take over una, and then hand it over to a civilian authority. Kaya, if there's anyone na nakikita nila sigurong credible, it's Mr. Ramon.
Hindi po ba kayo nag-aalala na wala to sa constitution natin at lalong mawawala ng mga confidence ang investor sa Pilipinas?
Alam mo yung mga nangyari mga changes naman tulad ng 1986 revolution. Nakita mo, kumbaga extra legal yun. Wala namang, hindi naman sang-ayon talaga sa Constitution. Pero the situation calls for extreme solutions. Ako, personally, with what's going on around now, sa tingin ko, hindi pa ito compelling reason why we have to do something extra legal, extra judicial.
So para sa inyo po, hindi pa panahon para magkaroon tayo ng extra constitutional means para mapalitan ang ating liderato?
Hindi pa naman. Ako, nakikita ko naman na kaya pang sagipin ng ating presidente. Kaya kailangan talagang yung ating presidente needs to be very decisive. At kailangan talagang for the next 2.5 years, panindigan niya.
General po kayo, gaano po ba talaga kahalaga ang support ng military para mapalitan ang presidente?
Napakalaki. If there's anyone who can, kumbaga, can be the change maker, it will be the armed forces and the Philippine National Police. But more on the military armed forces. I've been there. Kaya hindi basta-basta